Welcome. I'm redoing my video of the overhead cam lift because the first time no audio, and I had someone ask me to redo it and put the audio. In this project we're going to need 8 1-inch tees, 4 1-inch 90 degrees, pipe sizes are 2 51-inch long 1-inch pipes, 4 24-inch, 4 10-inch, 4 12-inch, and 4 2-inch and 3/4. Let's get started. We're going to be starting on the top reel. Putting these on. Putting the 90s on first. So there's one. Once I get this together, you want to actually use sealant, but you want to make sure everything fits right in the first place. Now we need four of the 10-inch. Put those on. Then you want to get a T in one of the 2 1/4s and put 2 T's on one of them. Like this. Make sure they're level. Then you want to hook one on this side for support. And then this. Turn it around. Square up the pipes. Make sure, let me turn this around like this. And then, son of a, should have had this set up better, but like I said, I'm new at this. I'll be right back. Now that we got the top part base done, set this to the side. And let's get on the legs. Put one of these in. Just a minute. Sorry about that. And take the other 2 3/4 and put that in. Then you want to take the 10-inch, let me make sure about that. Grab a tape measure. Make sure. A 12-inch, sorry. And put them in there for your legs. We got those. You take your 24-inch ones, put them in. Sorry about that. Like I said, this is my second try at making a video. So I hope I'll get better at it. There's that one. That one. Yes, I'm a klutz. Bring this over. So put the leg in. Put that leg in. Turn it over. And push it down. Make sure everything is secure. Put this one in. Well, you guys can't see what I'm doing, I'm sorry. Lift this up. Like I said, I'll get better at this when I get a better place to do this. Get a bigger table to build off of and all that. Push that down. Put that like that. Square these legs up. And then let's see if we can get this squared up a little bit more. Okay, what is its problem? As you see, this is a little bit difficult on this table. There we go. I would more likely mount this to this table, but I use it for other things. But when I need it to, I will. And here is the mount for the slider. Let me see which way this goes. Yeah, it goes this way. And there we go. Oh, let me change my camera so you guys can see the top part. Give me a minute. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully everything turned out good this time. We'll see, and see you in the next video.